If your repair shop is disorganized, accounting feels overwhelming, and you're in need of a dedicated accountant, or if managing your inventory, sales, and repairs is a hassle, then this video is for you. Finty is an all-in-one software designed to manage every part of small to medium-sized businesses, including repair shop management, accounting, and inventory tracking. With Finty, you can handle everything in one place. No need for multiple apps to manage your business. In this video, we'll take a quick look at Finty, highlighting its unique and valuable features that are incredibly helpful for small and medium-sized businesses. This video's focus is TV repair shops. When you sign up for Finty, our support team sets up the initial data for your account based on your business needs. This includes the devices, brands and models you repair, the banks you work with, user groups, the services you offer, accessories, common issues customers face, and more. While we handle the setup, you can always add more information whenever needed. The first menu is the Users menu, where you can manage everyone involved in your business, from employees to clients. You can also add your staff to Finty and assign profit percentages for their services or sales. Using the Config Services tab, you can customize their access, enabling or disabling specific services and menus they don't need. As the manager, you'll have full access to everything. But services you disable won't appear in their panel. Finty allows you to give access to up to 2 staff members. In addition to yourself, if your employees are technicians, they can issue repair or sales invoices directly. If they're salespeople, they can handle purchase and sales invoices. Need more than 2 users? Just contact support to add more for a small fee. If all your operations are handled by, for instance, your secretary or accountant, the default user limit will likely be enough for your business. The Repair Shop menu is all about managing repairs. From when a customer brings in a device for repair to when you hand it back. There's also a shelf service for technicians handling small or medium devices, allowing them to organize components during repairs. For larger devices, like TVs, this feature might not be necessary. In that case, you can contact the support team to deactivate it. Remember, you can disable services for your staff, but for disabling services in your main account, you'll need assistance from support. Other repair shop features streamline the entire repair process, from issuing repair tickets to updating customers via SMS or WhatsApp about the status of their devices. The next 2 menus cover all your business's financial operations. The accounting menu lets you record receipts, payments, expenses, income, and more. And the Financial Reports menu provides detailed summaries related to bank cash checks, employee performance, and profits from sales and services, and statements showing debtors and creditors. In the Warehouse and Goods menu, you can record the items you sell, issue purchase and sales invoices, and view detailed reports. As mentioned earlier, our support team pre-fills essential data for your business during setup. However, you can manually add or adjust this information in the Settings menu. All Finty services are designed to be simple and straightforward, making it easy to learn and use the software after just a few tries. Each feature also comes with a detailed tutorial video, which you can access by clicking on the red icons in the software. These tutorials ensure you'll know exactly how to use each feature effectively. With Finty, managing your repair shop, finances, and inventory is simpler than ever, all from one integrated platform. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and we'll be happy to assist. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching!